Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Kraken. Depositing money into Kraken is the first step to start trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you can deposit either fiat currency like USD European or cryptocurrency from another wallet, and the method you use depends on your country and the verification level, but Kraken provides secure and straightforward options for the both beginners and advanced levels. First, open to your Kraken app on a device and make sure to log in, and it will open also with your Face ID. And over here you need to go to this portfolio on the bottom. So over here on the bottom under this home screen we can find there's a most popular cryptocurrencies. Over here select one of the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit and simply tap on the bottom left icon there, deposit icon, and in order to do that you need to verify your KYC as well and choose the cryptocurrency. You can copy your deposit address and crypto from your wallet and wait for the confirmation, and the deposit will appear after the network confirmation, and time varies by the coin as well. And that is it. Always double check wallet addresses, use the correct network, and thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.